Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lex, and oh boy is Twitter a dumpster fire. Then again, when is it not? In today's video, I will be covering the case of Kaceytron versus Asmongold, and last but not least, XQC. All three of these individuals are streamers, primarily on the website known as Twitch, which I covered a few months back. Kacey primarily streams Fortnite, Overwatch, and Fall Guys, whereas Asmongold is a variety streamer who plays many different types of games. XQC is also a variety gaming streamer, but I remember when he was a very popular streamer in the Overwatch community. He even got to play in one of the professional esports teams. At first glance, the only thing any of these individuals have in common is that they all stream video games, but this entire exhibition goes a little bit deeper than that. What appears to have started this entire shabacle is that Kacey, seemingly out of nowhere, said that Asmongold apparently hates himself because of how his lifestyle is, despite him allegedly being a multimillionaire. Now, I have no idea how she came across this train of thought because she doesn't give any examples in her tweet, but I can't expect people on Twitter to have common sense since they tend to have the emotional stability of a moldy avocado. The only thing I've really seen over the years regarding Asmongold being messy in any sort is the room he streams in being messy, but whose office isn't messy at some point or another? Asmongold responded by saying, "You're fat and spend your entire life doing lettuce and doing rugs. If anyone's a stinker, it's you." XQC then came in and wrote, "Money is financial freedom. Freedom is having the ability to choose what you want to do as much as possible. Why are you mad? He lives the way he wants to. You have a lot of money too, yet you are overweight and choose to do lettuce all the time. Respect people's choices, lady." She then makes this really weird tweet about how XQC and Asmongold were apparently the kind of boys that girls like her rejected in high school. Not long afterwards, Asmongold did a reaction video that covered a new game from South Korea called Stellar Blade, which had its own mini-drama because some of the costumes were changed to be less revealing after the game originally launched on April 26th of this year. And some random other streamer, whose name I believe is pronounced as Denims, said that she would give anyone $30,000 if they removed Asmongold from Earth. She was rightfully told off by others, and some on Twitter asked for Denims to be banned on Twitch for what she said. So now that the complications are out of the way, let's unpack this. So first off, I think that Kacey coming out of nowhere with these comments about Asmongold were very odd. She just instigated this drama for no real reason aside from internet clicks, and I'm 70% sure she's just trolling around. She didn't give an example of putrid behavior. Her tweet was worded more like a fact when no evidence was present in it. Now, I don't agree with Asmongold calling her fat when that was not part of the original tweet that Kacey made. I agree with the first half of what XQC said about how he views freedom. I think it's a very interesting take on it. But similar to Asmongold, I don't agree with him bringing up Kacey's weight when it's not part of the original situation. Just to be clear, even though that I do disagree with Asmongold and XQC on some points, I am in absolutely no way defending Kacey or her crazy tweets. I think what she did was wrong, and I'm just expressing my views, which is what these rambles are about. I also agree that the girl who made the $30,000 comment about Asmongold should be investigated. Honestly, this entire mess just sounds like a bunch of 13-year-olds making fun of each other during their lunch period. I've been saying for years that the world would be a better place if Twitter and TikTok just shut down because of how insane those two platforms are. Before I leave you all this fine morning, afternoon, evening, or whenever you might be watching this video, I would like to present a fun fact. Did you know that Louis XIV of France was compared to Jesus at the time of his birth in 1638? His tutor, Cardinal Mazarin, who was Italian-born, wrote that God had given the newborn baby boy all the qualities to become the greatest king the world would ever see. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video and want to see more of my content, then please subscribe to Sweet Histortea, a channel full of random facts, lots of sparkles, and tons more videos to come in the future. Thank you so much again for watching, and until next time, bye-bye!
There's a part of myself I'm missing. Now I got a lot to learn.